The ReadyDoor process allows us to prefabricate these doors and these door assemblies in the right location. So you're going to be mitigating the bending and the stooping and how they're installing, let's say, for example, various door handles or door hardware. So you're going to have this in a controlled environment. So you're going to have the door at the right height, at the right level. So you should have fewer workplace injuries because you've got the workplace and the setup is more consistent for the tradesman that is assembling the door in this workshop environment versus in a work site environment. So we don't have as much time that we would have a delay in the schedule, let's say, for example, because this door hardware is not right, or we don't have a punch list item, so that the clients are going to be more, satisfied with the final product because we don't have the delays. And we all know that these doors are being installed usually right towards the tail end of a project, so it could delay a move-in or it could delay occupancy for the owners.
To eliminate the mistakes, the damage, the wrong hardware, or whatever you might say, we thought, how can we better service our customer and put a value out to what we're doing with pre-installed hardware? And that's where we came up with the idea of ReadyDoor. More and more of the trades are fabricating their materials off-site, and then when they get to the job site, there's less fabrication and more of just of the installation, and that's what we're trying to do with ReadyDoor.